BTC pushes past $117,000 liquidity wall after $429 million ETF inflows. Bullish breakout or bear trap? Bitcoin. Price prediciton. Bitcoin pushes past $117,000 liquidity wall after $429 million ETF inflows as analysts debate bullish breakout versus bear trap. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 1, 2025. Bitcoin, BTC, has pushed through the $117,000 liquidity wall, climbing close to $118,000 as renewed strength from U.S. spot ETF inflows puts the bulls back in control. Data from SoSoValue shows ETFs recorded $429.9 million in net inflows on September 30th, marking the second consecutive day of gains and driving October's early momentum. BlackRock's IBIT led with $199.43 million, followed by ARK Invest's ARKB at $105.74 million and Fidelity's FBTC with $54.7 million, bringing the total value traded to $3.26 billion. Bitcoin $116,000 push paints a squeeze fakeout, as analysts warn of CME gap and bearish reversal. Traders are now closely watching two key liquidity clusters, one lower near $107,000, where billions of dollars in long positions could still be liquidated, and another higher around $118,000, where shorts could be forced to cover. Crypto trader Trade with Thanos argues that the recent pump to $116,000 was designed to spark euphoria, setting a new monthly high before selling off to close the CME gap. He expects resistance between $117,500 and $119,000, with a potential move lower toward the $111,000 to $112,000 range, where liquidity and an unfilled CME gap remain. Another analyst described the move as a squeeze fakeout on the daily time frame, where a breakout with strong volume quickly reverses, trapping traders before establishing a new trend. In the short term, professional trader Easy Bitcoin pointed out the importance of CME futures gaps. Using the CrossX indicator, he noted that gaps remain below $112,000 and emphasized that every gap in the past 5 months has been filled. So, if we get a small pullback here, I see it as a solid opportunity to accumulate more before the next big move, he said. This view suggests that while a correction may come first, the next upward leg could be far stronger, with Fibonacci projections pointing as high as $155,000. Bitcoin October effect shows why October's plus 29.9% average return still matters. On the macro and seasonal front, CryptoQuant points to the well-known October effect. Data from CryptoQuant shows that August and September tend to post flat or negative returns, minus 0.54% and minus 4.16% on average, while October, plus 29.9%, November, plus 37.5%, and December consistently deliver outsized gains. The MVRV ratio, which tracks how far BTC's market price has diverged from its average on-chain cost basis, also supports this bullish narrative. Historically, MVRV hovers near 1.8 most of the year, but climbs above 1.9 in October and approaches 2.0 by December, reflecting stronger demand and investor profitability. CryptoQuant describes the current environment as the calm before the moon, with consolidation potentially giving way to aggressive upside. Even if Bitcoin retests the $111,000 to $112,000 zone, analysts say it could form the base for a stronger rally into the year-end. Further supporting this thesis, Lukenchain noted that Bitcoin closed September with a 5.35% gain, which is historically a precursor to bullish Octobers. Meanwhile, Glassnode's short-term holder cost basis model places the average recent entry price at $102,900, well below current levels, suggesting the rally has room to extend before traders become overheated. Glassnode identifies $122,000 as the first heated zone, where profit-taking could intensify, and $138,000 as the overheated zone, a level often associated with cycle peaks. Elliott Wave outlines Bitcoin's path toward $125,000 before $150,000 target. On the technical front, the daily chart reveals an Elliott Wave structure combined with key support and resistance zones following the move above $116,000. The important demand zone around $96,000 to $98,000 formed the foundation for the current rally, while the critical bullish support level near $106,000 has acted as a defensive line for sustaining momentum. The strong supply zone between $106,000 and $108,000, once a major source of selling pressure, has also been reclaimed. Elliott Wave counts suggest Bitcoin has completed waves A, B, and C in a corrective phase, followed by an impulsive 5-wave advance. If this structure holds, BTC could see corrective action in the $120,000 to $125,000 range before testing whether sufficient demand exists to extend toward $145,000 to $150,000. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Liquidity rotation from Bitcoin to XRP expected after SEC approvals. SEC urges immediate withdrawal of LTC, XRP, SOL, ADA, Doge ETF filings. Why? Why is crypto up today? October 1st, 2025 Vanguard U-turn on crypto ETFs could be explosive for Bitcoin. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto billionaire says BTC could hit record highs soon thanks to a major shift in U.S. policy. 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. XRP, Solana, and Doge ETF filings withdrawn. But here's why that's not bearish. 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. World-leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, and Ethereum by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 13 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 5 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 8 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 8 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 8 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 15 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025, by Ben Beto.